If you have never heard of the living root bridges of Meghalaya, let's tell you about them. India has formally submitted its nomination for UNESCO World Heritage status for the 2026-27 cycle in what would be a major step towards global recognition of one of India's most unique indigenous traditions. Now, it's called a living bridge because these are actual roots of actual trees that are alive, and as they grow longer, the local Khasi and Jaintia communities keep working on them, weaving a bridge over streams and rivers. Over many years, they guide the roots across the water to grow strong, natural bridges that have lasted for centuries, all thanks to the patience, effort, dedication, and respect for nature shown by the local indigenous community. They are sustainable and surprisingly very sturdy, meticulously crafted by the tribes who have for centuries trained and weaved the aerial roots of rubber trees across rivers. It's a truly remarkable story, and now India wants the world to see and marvel at this. India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO handed the nomination dossier over in Paris to the director of the World Heritage Center. And Meghalaya's chief minister welcomed the move, saying it will help ensure that indigenous communities who are the true guardians of this living heritage receive the recognition they richly deserve. These bridges are not made of steel, wood or concrete. They are grown from living tree roots. And for generations, indigenous communities have trained the roots of the rubber trees to grow across rivers and streams, creating natural bridges that strengthen over time. Each bridge, by the way, takes decades to mature, but once formed, they can last for hundreds of years, becoming stronger with age. More than just pathways, these bridges represent a rare living cultural landscape shaped by centuries of interaction between people and nature. According to UNESCO officials, the site reflects a deep and harmonious relationship between human life, the environment, and spirituality. The nomination highlighting traditional systems of land use, governance, ecological stewardship. While submitting the dossier, in fact, India's ambassador thanked Prime Minister Modi, the Union Culture Minister, and the Meghalaya Chief Minister for supporting the bid. He also acknowledged the contribution of officials from the Archaeological Survey of India, the Ministry of External Affairs, subject experts, as well as the local communities who worked to prepare the nomination. Officials say the submission reflecting India's growing commitment to preserving living cultural traditions and indigenous knowledge systems. If the site is approved, Meghalaya's living root bridges will become one of the few cultural landscapes from India to receive UNESCO recognition. And experts believe that this could boost ecotourism, bring international attention to the region, and create new opportunities for local communities. The final decision is expected during the UNESCO review cycle in 2026 to 27.